one wants to opt out from old tax regime and want to come in the new tax regime, that can be done only in the beginning of the new financial year?
Well, actually, what they have said this time is that the new tax regime is the default regime. What that means is that usually for most of us, our employer would have sent sort of a request saying that, which of the regimes do you want to opt for? And if you fail to opt for one, then either one, then they might have chosen the new tax regime for you. However, that's not a very big challenge. You can always request the employer, or at the time of filing your tax return, if you are salaried, then you have the choice of switching to a more beneficial regime. So when you are preparing your tax return, just see between the two regimes, where do you end up paying lower taxes, and you shall be allowed to make that switch. However, several employers have also, what they have done is that they have automatically selected the old regime for you if that regime was more beneficial to you in terms of your tax outgo. So if you had a lower tax outgo just by virtue of being in the old regime, then several employers have actually continued with that. But that is something that you essentially don't have to worry about. Just make sure that whatever reimbursements you are eligible to claim, if you have any, sort of bills or telephone bills, broadband bills, or if you have any other kind of reimbursements, perquisites which your employer offers you, make sure you submit those bills on time, because those cannot be taken care of at the time of filing your tax return. And irrespective of whichever regime you are in, I think it's high time that investors start looking at products like PPF and ULIPs and insurance premiums as part of their financial planning and their financial investments, irrespective of which regime they end up opting for.